This video will take you through the basics of Google Docs and show you some of the functions that you might want to use when using that function. So our Google Docs would be found under Drive, since we're using Google Drive to save all our documents. And today I'm going to start by creating a new document. So over here I've got the Create button, and I'm going to choose Document for that. And just like in Microsoft Word, I get a new document screen here, and I can start typing whatever I want. This is the beginning, period. And this is the start of my document file. Now, if you want to change the document title, we can double click over here, and we will change this into document test. I can also share this file. This is the first thing that you're going to want to do. One of the benefits of Google Docs is that you can share this document with others. And to do that, you click on the Share button. And for discussion purposes, I'm going to share this with my buddy Mike. And then share and save. And notice over here, this is kind of important. You can, depending on the level that you want students or coworkers to have, you can have them either be able to completely edit it, have full author rights, they can just make comments on something you produce, or they can only look at it. In this case, I trust Mike, so I'm going to allow him to edit it also, since we're going to be working together on this. Click Share and Save, and we're done. Now that means that Mike now has full access to this document, so if he goes to his email and opens it, he can make changes, he can add things, subtract things, do just about anything that I can. So you get done working on this document file, and for instance, being a math teacher, we don't quite have the flexibility in Google Docs that we would have in Microsoft Word. So I'd like to work on this document in Microsoft Word to add things like, let's say, mathematical equations. I might want to add some graphics. You can do those things in Google Doc, but sometimes Microsoft Word is just a more powerful program. Under the File menu, going down to Download As, you'll see all the different formats that you can export this document as. So I'm going to download it as a Microsoft Word document. And you can see down here at the bottom, I have the option then that's been saved as a document test in the format of .docx, which is a Microsoft Word format. All right, so I'm going to close this and go back to my original screen. And so you'll see now down at the bottom here, I've got document test. So now that's in my Google Drive folder, so anytime I need to get to it. And you also see the little sign here that says shared, which means I've shared it with some people, in this case my buddy Mike. I might also want to upload a file. So I might have started a document and I would like to share it with my colleagues. So I started on a quiz, for instance, and it's hard for my colleagues to meet. So we're going to each work on that document, contribute to it, and then put together a finished product via email. So I can upload, and I can upload a file. And in this case, I'm going to use the Institute plan for today's work. It uploads the file, and now when I go into my Documents folder, it is right here as a Microsoft Word document. When I open it, it opens in Google Docs, and then I can go back and follow the same process to share that with colleagues or anybody that I want to share this with to work on it.